Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need black, white, and clear pony beads, scissors, a lighter, and then I have a string that measures about 55 inches. And then you're also going to need 5 balls. These are from hair ties. You're going to start with putting on 3 clear beads. Let those fall. Then we're going to add a clear on each side. We're going to put on 3 white, lay that down, and then you're going to take your other end of the string and go through, put the ends together, and then pull this down so your strings are even. So it looks like that. Now you're going to put a white on each side, let those fall down. We're going to add black, lay that down, and then have your string go across through all those beads. Grab your ends, and now we can just pull the ends down. Put a black on each side, 3 clear, and then you'll take this and go all the way across. Grab your ends and pull. Put a clear on each side, 3 white, take your string and go across. A white on each side. So that's what it looks like so far. Put a black on each side. Three clear, and then we'll take this end of the string and go across. Pull your ends. A clear on each side. Three white, and then we'll take this side and go across. A white on each side. Black. Take the string and go across. Black on each side. And there is another way to hold this, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you guys. You hold the string with your pinky, wrap the string around, and hold with your thumb, and then take the string and go across, and then pull. Okay, we need 15 rows, so I'm gonna need to count these here. Okay, we need 2 more rows. Oh, wait. 3 more. It's just easier for me to wrap it around my hand, but if it's easier for you to do it on the table, go ahead and do that. Okay, this is going to be our last row. So 3 black. Okay, at this point, it's going to be loose. So you're going to pull and put your finger in the middle and pull these down. Now you might have to do this a couple times until you get it as tight as you would like. You still want some stretch though. Okay, so now we need to take one end of the string and go through these 3 clear. You're going to put your ends together and pull a little bit and make a knot. And then you're going to put your 2 ends together, go through this black, and these 2 black, and then you'll take one of the strings out. So it looks like this. Okay, and I'm going to take these, I'm going to cut these off and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I went ahead and cut those off. Now we need to start our pattern. So on each side you're going to do black, white, and then clear. Let those fall down. Put your strings together and then we'll put on one of the balls. We're going to put on clear, white, and black. Let those fall. And then we're going to go to the next black bead here. So we're skipping 2 rows and then go into this one. So this side of the string, we're going to go across the middle bead. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other string. So you're crossing them over. And you'll pull that. And that's what it looks like. We're going to repeat that. So black, white, clear, put the strings together, put one of your balls on, then clear, white, and black. Then we're going to skip these 2 rows and go to this black. So take your string and go across. Take this string and go across. Grab the ends and pull. Well, we got twisted up here. There we go. Goodness. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Black, white, clear, put your ends together, put your ball on, clear on each side, white, black. Pull that, then we're going to skip these 2 rows, go across the middle black bead with both strings, and pull. Okay, we're going to add black, white, clear, let those fall, add your ball, add clear, white, and black, and then skip these 2. We're going to go through the black, crossed, pull that, add a black, white, clear, let those fall, put your ball on, clear, white, and black. Pull that, and now to tie it off, we're back where we started, so we're going to go through this middle black bead, pull your ends together, pull it tight, and then make a knot. Okay, that's what it looks like, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.